Hello.
Hi.
Can you help me?
Sure, I can help you.
Do you speak English?
A little, but not very well.
How old are you now?
I am 34 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Los Angeles.
Are you learning English?
Yes, I am learning English.
Why is it important?
It's important for communication.
Are you American?
No, I am not American.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
How do I look?
You look great.
How was your day?
My day was good, thank you.
Did you go to the store?
I went to the store.
How much money do you have?
I have $20.
What do you want to eat?
I want to eat pizza.
How many languages can you speak?
I can speak 3 languages.
Are you a morning or evening walker?
I prefer evening walks.
How much does your phone cost?
My phone cost $600.
Do you like to take photos?
Yes, I enjoy photography.
How many siblings do you have?
I have 3 siblings.
What day is today?
Today is Monday.
What time is it now?
It's a.m.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on July 25th.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with friends makes me happy.
Do you like it here?
I love it here.
Do you smoke?
No, I don't like smoking.
Do you hear me?
Sorry, repeat again.
Do you know Matilda?
Yes, she is my friend.
Can I use your phone?
Yes, you can use my phone.
What do you want?
I want some water, please.
How do you feel?
I feel good, thank you.
How old is your brother?
My brother is 20 years old.
What is his name?
His name is John.
What is your dream?
My dream is to travel the world.
Can you play guitar?
No, I can't play guitar.
How do you relax?
I relax by reading a book.
Can you dance salsa?
No, I can't dance salsa.
What color is your car?
My car is blue.
What are you reading?
I'm reading a novel.
Are you allergic to anything?
No, I'm not allergic to anything.
What did you eat?
I ate pasta for dinner.
How much is this?
This is $45.
Where did you find this?
I found it in the park.
Are you on Facebook?
Yes, I am on Facebook.
Can I take your picture?
Yes, you can take my picture.
Why do you study English?
I study English to improve my skills.
Is this your book?
Yes, this is my book.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
Are you going home?
Yes, I am going home.
Do you know her?
Yes, I know her.
What is her profession?
Her profession is a doctor.
Where do you work?
I work at a bank.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is photography.
Where did you study?
I studied at Harvard University.
Why are you smiling?
I am smiling because I'm happy.
What time do you sleep?
I sleep at 12 o'clock p.m.
How is the weather?
The weather is sunny.
Is this your first time here?
Yes, this is my first time here.
Are you hungry now?
Yes, I am a little hungry.
Do you like cooking?
Yes, I love cooking.
How often do you exercise?
I exercise 3 times a week.
Do you have pets?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you have a family?
Yes, I have a small family.
What does your father do?
My father is a banker.
Do you want money?
Yes, I want money for shopping.
Do you have any boyfriend?
No, I haven't. Will you be my boyfriend?
Do you think I'm handsome?
Yeah, definitely.
Do you have everything?
No, I need Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max.
Do you want to be rich?
Yes, of course.
Do you think I'm stupid?
Maybe, but I'm not sure.
Who do you think you are?
I think I'm an innocent girl.
Do you think I'm to blame?
No, you're innocent.
What do you want to drink?
I want to drink wine.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at p.m.
When do you usually get up?
I usually get up at 6 o'clock am.
What do you do on Sunday?
I play sports on Sundays.
What time do you go home?
I go home at p.m.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I like to travel.
Are you afraid of snakes?
Yes, I am very afraid of snakes.
Do you have a tattoo?
No, I don't like tattoos.
How long have you waited?
I have waited for 30 minutes.
What do you need?
Actually, I need your help.
What do you want?
I want to be your wife.
Do you think I'm fat?
No, you look great.
What do you want to do?
I want to earn a lot of money.
Will you do me a favor?
Of course.
Do you talk to your dog?
Yes, sometimes, but not always.
Are you alone?
Yes, I'm alone.
Where are you from?
I'm from the nearby town.
Do you usually hike alone?
Sometimes. Today I'm alone.
What do you like about hiking?
I enjoy the peace in nature.
Have you told anyone you were here?
Yes, I told my friend.
Are you afraid of the dark?
Yes, I'm very scared of it.
Do you know it?
Yes, I do. It's a nice place.
How was your day?
It was perfect.
What do you do?
I'm a doctor.
What is your marital status?
I'm married.
Do you exercise regularly?
Yes, I go to the gym 5 times a week.
Do you know who I am?
I have no idea.
May I ask you something?
Yes. What is your question?
How tall are you?
I am 6.2 feet.
Are you lost too?
Yes. I can't find the trail.
Can you help me find the way out?
I can try. Let's work together.
Do you have any food or water?
I have some water.
Are you good at reading maps?
Not really, but I can try.
Are you okay to walk?
Yes, I'm fine. Let's find our way out.
How do you feel?
I'm a bit scared, but I'm trying to stay calm.
Can you start a fire?
I'm not sure, but we can try.
Can we use your phone?
My phone has no signal, but we can try.
Do you have a plan?
Let's follow the river. It might lead us out.
Are you hurt?
No, I'm not hurt.
Can we rest for a while?
Yes, let's rest for a few minutes.
Do you hear that sound?
Yes, I hear it. It sounds like water.
Should we follow the sound?
Yes, it might be a good idea.
Do you see any lights?
No, I don't see any lights.
What time is it?
I'm not sure, my watch stopped.
Do you think it will rain?
I hope not, but let's prepare just in case.
Are you thirsty?
Yes, I'm a bit thirsty.
Do you have any food?
I have a little.
Can you climb a tree to look around?
I'm not very good at climbing, but I can try.
Are we going in the right direction?
I think so, but let's keep checking.
Can we make a signal fire?
Yes, if we find dry wood, we can try.
Do you remember the way back?
Not exactly, but I remember some landmarks.
Do you have a phone signal?
No signal here.
Should we stick together?
Yes, I think it's safer.
Do you have any first aid supplies?
Yes, a small kit.
Do you have a flashlight?
Yes, in my bag.
Do you think anyone is looking for us?
I hope so. We should stay visible.
Do you hear any animals?
Yes, but I think they're far away.
Are your shoes comfortable?
Yes, they're fine.
Can you make it through the night?
Yes, I think I can.
Is it safe to walk alone here?
I think so, but I always stay on the path.
Have you seen any animals?
Yes, I saw some birds and small animals.
Should we split up or stay together?
We should stay together for safety.
Do you know any survival tips?
I know a few survival tips.
How can we get clean water?
We can try to collect rainwater or find a stream.